Mafethu, Orlando Pirates will win the league. Now the league is in their hands now. Kaizer Chiefs, they played the part last night to say, hey guys, here's the league, then it's up to you. They just need to win their all 3 games. 3 games, no draw. A draw is going to take us back to square one. Or a draw is going to give Mamelodi Sundowns an edge to do what? To take again the league. I love both teams. And I love what is happening because when last we find ourselves as PSL to be in this position where now it's, hey, if you lose, you're out. If you lose, you're out. You know, a draw is not good enough. A draw is not good enough. So when last did we find ourselves in this position? So I believe that now it comes back again for Orlando Pirates to say, the ball is in your court. You win your games, you're going to stay top there with the goal difference. Unless if Sundowns, they win their games by scoring 5 goals in the last 3 games, then sorry, but I believe now that Orlando Pirates will win the league.
Catch the full convo on our YouTube channel, Omni Audio Africa.
Omni Sport.